Hey guys, my name is Josh from Yobo Designs, and today this is a graphic that I did for Tito Glass. First time I'm recording my voice for this one. First time I'm going to share this one with you guys. Try to make this one really pop for Tito. Congratulations again, Tito, on your first 14. And I hope you guys can learn something from this. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them in the comments. I would really appreciate it. I've only been doing this for a few months, so I would love any suggestions if anybody has them to help a newcomer out like me, and that'd be great. Thank you all so much for even just checking in on the video.